Hello students, welcome to your e-learning classes. Last day I told you the capital letters, where we can put capital letters. First one I told the first letter of the sentences. Second, the names, special names. Special names also name of the persons, any name of the persons, name of the river, name of the mountains, name of the months, name of the days, name of the festivals. All these things I have told. Examples also I have told. Name of the days, Sunday to Monday. Next, name of the months, January to December. Name of the festivals, Durga Puja, Eid, Christmas. Name of the river, the Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari. Name of the mountain, Himalaya, Aravalli, Alps, whatever. And also name of the any persons. Name of the pets. If you are giving name your pet dog, Tommy, that is also capital letter. Name of the residential complexes. Name of the schools. Name of the places, any place. Kolkata, Delhi, Madras, anything. So here, page number 57, page number 57, rewrite the sentences using capital letters. My name is Ananya Sethi. We can write number 1, my name is Ananya Sethi. Ananya Sethi. So after full stop, Ananya Sethi is the name. I am a student of Bal Bharati Public School. So that is school name also. We should give that capital letter. I am a student of Bal Bharati Public School. All this first letter will be capital. So please write these things. My name is Ananya Sethi. I am a student of Bal Bharati Public School. So V, B, P and S. And first letter I, here M, here A, S. All these are capital. First you underline, then you can do the next sentences. It will be good for you. Next, number 2. Mr. Sunil Bhatia lives at Rajinder Nagar in New Delhi. Mr. Sunil Bhatia lives at Rajinder Nagar, New Delhi. So, I think you have understood now. Rajinder Nagar, R, N will be capital, N, D will be capital, S, B will be capital. Number 3, Agra is on the banks of river Yamuna. Agra is on the banks of river Yamuna. Y will be capital, Y-A-M-U-N-A. I told the name of the river. So Agra, name of the place. So Agra is the name of the river. Agra is on the banks of river Yamuna. Number 4. I have many comics. I read them daily. So I, capital, I have many comics. I read them daily. I like to read the story I like to read the stories of Akbar and Birbal. So these Akbar and Birbal, that is the story's name. So here two characters' name also at the same time. So here that will be capital. So please again you can see I first letter, here I first letter, and I is always capital. I also here. Akbar A and B will be capital. So number 5 we can give. So number 5, that is also, so one big paragraph is there. Torun is my best friend. T capital is my best friend. Full stop. After full stop, again capital letter. His father. His father, Mr. Satish Gupta. So that is the capital because name Mr. Satish, S capital, Gupta capital. Satish Gupta is a doctor. Is a doctor. Mr. Umesh Gupta, that is also name Mr. Umesh, U capital, M capital. Umesh Gupta, Gupta, is Torun's uncle. Tarun, Torun's uncle. Uncle's U is not capital. He lives in London. He, capital, lives in London, L capital. London. But B capital. But he loves India. Here I am writing. He loves India. India is my country name. So India, I capital, India. And often comes to meet. And often comes to meet them. So please remember person's name, place name, river's name, mountain's name, day's name, month's name, all will be capital, including the first letter of the word. And I also will be capital always. When I for means me, I am just, they are telling, we are understanding I for me. Okay. So that's why always I will be capital. Okay, beta. Thank you. If you are having any problem, please tell me to my portal.